Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Poppy from HG Garden. Many customers ask me, how do I identify quality WPC? Because all balls look similar on the surface. So the truth it is that what determines quality and lifespan, it is not what you can see outside, but the formula inside. Take these two balls, for example. The surface looks same, but in real outdoor use, the lifespan differs by 10 times. Why? Because the secret is in the formula, and the standard composition of WPC will include 55% wood fiber, 13% HDPE, 10% thinner, 3% color powder, and 2% lubricant. This is the basic ratio that most factories will follow, but here is the difference: the additive. This is the anti-fungal agent. It is to prevent mold growth outdoors. This is antioxidant. It is to increase weather resistance and slow down aging. And this is the coupling agent. It is to increase toughness and strength. Some factory they will use them, but some factory they will leave them out to save cost. That is why pour W balls at the beginning, it will look fine, but after 2 to 3 years, they will start to create and deform. So remember, you cannot judge WPC by the appearance or price. The real difference it is inside the formula. At our factory, we strictly follow proper standards, and we ensure that WPC can last 10 years and more outdoors. And the last piece of advice, always ask your supplier about their testing methods. Not all WPC are same. Different factories they will use different formulas and different materials. So you need to choose carefully.